guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your favorite vegan friend, itsjustcecemarie. That is me. So guys, today I want to show you guys how to make spinach artichoke dip. And you guys know it's vegan, it's going to be good, it's going to be tasty. I want to show you guys how I make it. So I made this for Christmas or for Thanksgiving. Then I made it for Christmas when my family came to visit. And they loved it, so I figured why not make a video and show you guys how I make my dip. It is vegan friendly, dairy free, gluten free as well. Very simple, very easy. So I'm going to show you guys in the next part of this video how I make it, and then we can go from there. All right, guys? See ya. So what we're going to start with is Kite Hill. And you want to use regular, obviously. And depending on how much you need, this is an 8 ounce. I make plenty for me and my fiance. It's a lot for 2 people. So yeah. So all you're doing is just gonna scoop this out. And you can use any brand of cream cheese. It doesn't have to be Kite Hill. I just like Kite Hill. That's like the only brand that I actually like for cream cheese. So. And then I'm going to use some oat milk. And this all depends on how like creamy you want everything. So I will probably start off with a cup. So I'm going to use a cup. And just pour it in. And then I'm also going to use Real Life mozzarella cheese. And I'm going to use the whole bag. I also use Follow Your Heart Parm, but I forgot to get some. So that's what I'm using. And then this is what it should be looking like. So we have the milk, we have the cream cheese, we have the cheese, and then I'm also going to put garlic in it. So with the garlic, you just want to mince it up or chop it up. Depending on how much garlic you like. I love garlic, so I use like 4 to 6 cloves of garlic or 4 to 6 pieces of garlic. And all you're doing is just chopping it up. So I'm going to put that in there as well. And just stir it until you can warms up, I guess. Yeah. So you want everything to melt into like a sauce. And then so the spinach. So this is chopped spinach. It was frozen. I thawed it out. So with this spinach, you just want to get like freshly chopped, or not freshly chopped, but just chopped spinach. And then you want to make sure you squeeze out all like the water out of it, just because you don't want the extra water in here to make it watery. So I use I have a second one just in case if this isn't enough, but this is just 1 box of spinach, which is like 9 ounces or 8 ounces depending on what brand you're using. And then this is 1 can of artichokes, and all you do is just crush it up and, you know, break it apart. So I'm also going to put some garlic powder because, again, I love garlic powder. Now this all just depends on how much you like. It's all preference. You can put a tablespoon, teaspoon, on preference. I really don't measure anything really, so and then just put some salt. Again, everything is to taste. There's not a right or wrong way of like how much salt to put, how much garlic to put. And like I said, you just want to keep mixing it and stirring it until it's like a creamy sauce almost, until everything has melted. Next, I'm going to put in the artichokes. Again, it's 1 can. So I'm going to put that in. And then I'm going to put in the spinach. Now again, it's preference. If you want more spinach, put another thing of spinach. If you want more artichoke, put another can of artichoke. Everything is just preference. I'm just showing you guys on how I make mine, and then, you know, tweak it how you want to make it. There's no really rule book to cooking. So, a little bit. I am going to put like a little bit more milk in here. Just because I want it to thin out just a little bit. So I'm just going to put 1/2 cup in there. Just so it's not too thick. And again, it all depends on how thick you want it, how thin you want it. This is preference. And you can use any kind of milk. You can use almond milk. Obviously, you want to use something that isn't sweet, so an unflavored milk. You can use coconut milk if it's unflavored and it's not sweet. If you don't mind that coconut taste, you can use hemp milk, rice milk, any kind of vegan milk you want, you can use. So, I'm just going to keep. So, this is what we have. This is what she is looking like. Hey guys, so what did you think? Did you like it? So we're gonna try it out, even though I just tried it out right now, but I love it. This is such an easy dip to make. Sorry guys, I'm just now eating lunch, but such an easy dip to make. You can make this for football games, events like Christmas or Thanksgiving, or if you want spinach dip. Very easy to make. Like I said, I use Kite Hill, but you guys can use any kind of cream cheese, any kind of milk, any kind of cheese you want. I use the chopped spinach, squeeze it out, throw it in a pan, and artichokes. Artichoke hearts, you can cut them up, rip them up or whatever to make them smaller. There you go. It's so easy, so simple, and so good. So yeah, so let me know what you guys think. Have you tried to make your own spinach dip? Did it go well? Did it not go well? Would you give this recipe a try? And if you have tried it, what brands have you used to make your spinach dip? Like what kind of cheese and things like that. So yeah, so let me know what you guys think in the comments below, and I will see you guys next time. All right, guys, because I'm going to finish tearing this up because I am hungry and it's so good. So, as always, guys, stay safe, stay healthy, and enjoy the journey, and I will see you guys next time. All right, guys? Bye.